Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system. So from any screen, if you click telephone, when there's nothing paired to it, it's saying Bluetooth devices there. Click on Bluetooth devices, and you've got two phones which you can either add a new device or go down to and select a phone. I'll select mine, Barry's iPhone. If we knock the control over to the right, you'll see there you've got the choice: split screen, close control, my phone, configure device, remove device from list. So down to remove device from list, click on that and it's gone.